Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Way2Go card. The Way2Go card is a prepaid debit card used to receive government benefits such as unemployment, compensation, child support, and other payments. To get started, you will need to activate your card by calling the phone number provided with your card or by visiting the website listed on the back of the card. Once activated, you can check your balance by calling the customer service number, visiting the website, or using the mobile app. You can also set up text alerts to notify you when a deposit is made or when your balance is low. It is essential to keep your card and PIN secure to prevent unauthorized use. To use your Way2Go card, you can swipe it at any merchant that accepts MasterCard, or you can use it to make online purchases. You can also use your card to get cash at an ATM. But be aware that you may be charged a fee for this service. When making a purchase, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the transaction. It is also important to keep track of your transactions and balance regularly to avoid overdrafts. You can view your transaction history online or through the mobile app. If you need to return an item purchased with your Way2Go card, you will need to follow the merchant's return policy and may be required to provide a receipt. To transfer funds from your Way2Go card to a personal bank account, you can do so online or through the mobile app. You can also use the bill pay feature to pay bills such as rent, utilities, and credit cards. Be aware that some transactions may take a few days to process, so plan accordingly. To avoid fees and keep your account in good standing, make sure to use your card wisely and keep your account information up to date. If you have any issues or concerns with your Way2Go card, you can contact customer service for assistance. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use your Way2Go card to receive and manage your government benefits.